Hey guys, today we're going to be installing my new radiator and thermostat. If you saw from my previous videos, you would have seen that my radiator went. So I've imported a new one from Japan. It's a BLITZ one, as well as a NISMO low temp thermostat. So hopefully we can get those installed today. I've given myself a few hours tonight just to try and get it done. Tomorrow, Jack helps host like cars and coffee in the morning, so I want to try and get the car there if I can. If not the end of the world, but it would be pretty sick to see it out. Because I'm a bit worried that I'm going to lose out on all the nice weather we've been having. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so we've got the old thermostat out, ready to swap out with the NISMO low temp one. Let's have a look. This one does 76.5 degrees, whereas the NISMO one is 62 degrees. So hopefully this will help with it kind of creeping up overheating when going sideways. So yeah, let's get this in. And then, well, actually before I do that, I need to kind of clean off the surface so I can whack some silicone on a gasket in between them. So I'll do that and then we'll whack it in, put it back on, and then hopefully get the radiator on. So, see you in a sec. Okay, so I'm just going to put some sealant on here before popping it back in. I've just got some kind of flange sealant for it. Go add a little bit on, don't need too much. That should do it. That might be a bit messy, but that'll do. So I'm going to whack the thermostat in, and then we're going to pop this on top of it and screw it back in. Okay, so here's the radiator. Nice BLITZ radiator. So yeah, we've got to try and fit it in, see how we get on. Alright, so radiator is in, kinda. I mean, it's physically in, not plugged in or anything. I really should have brought new Jubilee clips, or whatever clips these are called, because they're a bit crusty. I'll probably end up replacing them at some point, but for now I'm just going to chuck them on. So. Alright, so to fill the coolant, I've just got a CLE coolant filling kit. This comes with a little reservoir that has like a little tap on, so I can just fill it away with salt. And sort of so you keep letting stuff in, and hopefully it can bubble up through as well. So hopefully we can flush the system using this as well, and not just do a dodgy flush, because I'd rather do a proper one, although this one's still probably a little bit dodgy. But yeah, so let's get some coolant in the car and then get it up to temp and see if we can flush it out. Alright, so managed to actually figure out how to use it. So before it kept falling off and overfilling. Now we've actually got it set up correctly. Hopefully we can turn the car on and actually get it all nice and filled. But yeah, let's do that. Okay, so as you can see, I've now done. The radiator's filled up. I had a bit of hand from Jack in the end. He came down to help me. He's just gone back over to his house, about to have a barbecue. So I'm going to try and get the car out now. But I've got one last thing to do, and that is to put this badge of honour on. So yeah, let's quickly do that. So it's a little bit messed up. I do need to polish it, but unfortunately don't have time today. But we do need to put the sticker on, because it is one of the most important features and one of the most important parts to get the radiator working. And there she goes. There we go. That's the most important bit right there, is that little sticker. Then we also got the little radiator cap as well. Right, so that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to film up some more clips. So I just need to put the interior back together, because I haven't done that from the last video. I was too excited to get the radiator on and get it actually running. So I'm going to quickly do all that, put it all back together. I'm not going to film it, just so I can get it done quickly, because me and Jack are meant to be having the barbecue in about half an hour. So I'm going to probably be a little bit late to that, but he's gone off. I did have a hand from him. He's gone off to go start sorting that. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I actually forgot to film while I was out, but got the car out. Car ran fine, radiator's all good. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Still got a few tweaks we need to do to it. Still rattling quite a bit. Gearbox needs sorting, but we'll get to those eventually. So the car is currently outside. I'm just doing a little sweep up, a little clear up of the floor, because it does get a bit dusty and grim in there. So while we got the car out, so I may as well do that. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like, all that good stuff. And yeah, see you in the next one.